Hello, this is the Robin's Nest by Terry. Let's paint today.
Turning off my HP, and I do get that problem sometimes. So my new MacBook will be here next week, and then I won't have to worry about it. I was always an HP person until I got my first Mac, and now it's like the HP just doesn't do near as much as the Mac, and I thought it would take me a long time to learn it, but it really doesn't. Let me get some glitter for this thing. Watching an ad when you get on. I know, those ads are annoying, aren't they? All you have to do is click that, or I was talking to Chris about it today, and I know you can click that little X, and she said once you click the X, you swipe to the right, and it should disappear. Alright, let's glitter this thing up because I want to get it sold this weekend. Oh, Crafty Servings. Why do I always forget your first name. I'm sorry. And you'll tell me and I'll forget, so it doesn't matter. I can't remember the ladies in my exercise class's name. Cooking a rum cake again. Wow. Well, I think tomorrow, especially us crafters who sit here and paint all day, I think I'm going to take my camera next door tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, and I think I'm going to do my exercise class on here. It's only 45 minutes. Oh, I forget. In fact, my daughter gets so mad because now Paisley does it. Paisley, I feel, especially around town, people that you know forever, I call them by the wrong names, and it drives my daughter insane. And she's like, just don't say anything. Why do you have to say their name? And it's like, because then they probably think I don't know their name, so I want to cover myself. And so the girl she works with, I've known for years, and I went in there, and I called her Melinda, and then I walked around a little bit, and then I went back to her, and I said, your name's not Melinda, is it? And she goes, no, Monica. And I'm like, I knew that. I've known it for years, so it's kind of like, yeah, I shouldn't even try. I should just say hi and walk away. But I live in a really small town, so it's, I don't know what I did to his beard last year and mustache, but not good. Okay. Just want to clean up that mustache area that a mess. Oh. It's cutting out for you too. Well, Crafty Servings, how come you're not on with us selling on the marketplace? I know you were part of the group for a while. I'm looking for some more vendors. I mean, everyone's stretched so thin trying to keep up with product. It's hard. I know I was talking to Leslie Adams, she'll be joining us at the first of the year. She's done with her craft shows. Oh yeah, those look so much better. Samantha, are you serving rum cake at the ice cream shop? Bonnie, we have, I think inside, we have a special sellers group where, we kind of, talk about things coming up and rules and all that stuff. There's about 75 in there. Now, not everyone sells at the same time, but we will be adding new vendors come the first of the year, so if you make items, you'll have to send me a message. We got some that don't make them. They're more home decor, pillows, and Christy Edwards has home decor. Just kind of a different variety. We need a variety, so just like everyone, it needs variety. But we've been doing it for about 18 months now. I mean, it sure saved us during COVID. So, and now we won't have craft shows, so it's going to be easy again. And we had a really good year last year in January and February, March, April, all the way through Easter. Then it kind of died down for, people being gone in the summer. But we had really good sales for spring. Some of them had better sales in the spring than they did at Christmas just because you don't have any competition. Ooh. Sorry. Yeah, we do. And we went to a public group. It used to be private, but then nobody could share out of it. So we went to a public group where people could share. And by looking at the numbers, it says we've got, no, I think it flipped over to 2,700 today. But, you kind of got to deal with Facebook. People like me and most of the people inside the group, we have 1,400 that are considered visitors. And so they don't give us credit for those people, which kind of stinks. So our number should be about 4,200. And I have I'm not going to waste my time trying to figure out why Facebook does that, but it, and when you don't do this full time, it's hard to find time to do it, but somehow a lot of them are working full-time jobs and doing this, and it's been the only job I've had for 22 years, so it's like I can pretty much paint whenever I need to, but being running the groups and stuff, it's a lot of paperwork. A lot of paperwork. Computer work, I mean, not paperwork. Oh, okay. Yeah, well, see, when I opened it, that was my VIP group that I was selling in. And it was just kind of a fluke that, if COVID hadn't happened, I don't know that we would have ever done that. But so it was already closed, and we just thought, oh, when we started, who knew COVID was going to last so long? Who knew that it was going to take off so well? So we just, that's why it was a public group. I changed the name from my VIP group to Virtual Home Decor Marketplace. So that's where we ran into the problem. Kind of hated that because I spent a lot of money in advertising over there. Okay, so I'm going to let me highlight these. So it was kind of a learning curve, nobody wanted to, it was hard to get everyone to push that go live button, but it really helped a lot of people when we didn't have craft shows to go to. So, and now it's kind of really easy now. So some people did a few craft shows this fall, and some just stayed painting and sold on the marketplace. And so, there's good things to doing a show. There's good things to selling online. They each have their perks. They each have their drawbacks. Kind of like shipping or setting up at a show. Nothing's, yeah. Wouldn't it be nice if we just had a fairy appear in our door and say, yep, I'll buy all your inventory. Here you go. Here's your money. I'll take it all. That would be nice. They just came by, picked it up, and you didn't have to do nothing. Okay. Well, I got that little piece in that O there. Yeah, sharing is important. That way, we reach more people. And I've been boosting posts in it too. I love to boost the post once a week. I find that doing that really helps. Now that we got that cute jingle, all of it helps. Me going live and the ladies sharing it out, it all works well. It's just kind of hard at this moment because as painters and crafters, it's like, oh, what did we do before we had snowmen? But that always happens. Bonnie, I am in Illinois. And the crafters are from all around the United States, and we got some in Canada. They're from all over the place. So we had a painting retreat here in Illinois back in June. So people came from all over. I think this guy's done. Let's finish him up on the top, and oops, I do have some shading to do right there under his beard, but just a little bit. But actually he looks pretty cute. Kind of love him. See my typewriter, Bonnie? I don't know how many people saw my typewriter. I got to finish it up because I got to mail it out tomorrow. I got all the rest of Tracy's stuff mailed, and I just need to shade the typewriter, so I'll show it to you here in just a moment because this thing is about done. But I am going to put, guess I never painted the handle over here. So cute for a